Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Hopefully, everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. I have another special, I think it's an Amazon Prime unboxing. If not, link is going to be down below. You guys can check them out, see what goodies they have to offer, and let's see what's inside. International shipping, so should be interesting to see what we get. Like I said, holidays are approaching fast. And you guys might be in the market for one of these. Come on. What is this? Alright. Whoa. The future is here. YummyBazzaar. Slow life, easy living. I think this might be just an unboxing. Kind of looks like a Oculus VR headset. Here's good stuff. So this is what it looks like when you get it, once you order it. And here we go. And we're going to open it up, see what it looks like. Definitely excited to see this. Uh-oh. Come on. Here we go. It's been a long day, guys. Bear with me. I know we got to cut. No? It's kind of stubborn. There we go. Dun, 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 dun. With the manual. Boom. Oh boy. We got USB charge. Do not eat this. Oh, I thought it was one of those packets. Okay. There we go. YummyBazzaar. Slow life, easy living. Oh yeah. And life was moving fast though. This year kind of went by fast also. But I'm sure 2021 is going to be a better year for us. So just got to sit back and enjoy the show. Grab your popcorn, smash the thumbs up button, and then, woo. Oh, this is pretty sweet. Got some side controls. We're going to test this thing out. Whoa. Hold on one sec. Whoa, plays music. Whoa. I want to turn it around, guys. Check this out. Oh, look, it's like a warming. Whoa. You feel the pressure up in here. And up in here. Ooh. Vibrates. Lets the air out. Whoa. It's like piano music. I think you can see the side where it's light up. I can't see. This does feel good though. Nice relaxing music. Treat yourself to one of these guys. Just great stocking stuffers. Oh yeah. Especially in the long flights once we get back up in the air. This will help you guys a lot. Especially if you guys are staring at the screens all day. Take like an hour break on this thing. Oh. This will definitely probably get rid of your migraines. I can fall asleep through this. Oh, that's a little tight. There it goes in the air. You can hear the height. Whoa, that's warm. Whoa. This is trippy. I feel so much more relaxed right now. Oh. Whoa. Oh, you guys couldn't even see me. Hold on. See their lights right there? And then you put it over. I'll put it on for a few minutes. This feels great, guys. I'm not lying about this. This is the best thing that came out of this year. Keeps it nice and warm, too. Yeah, this will get definitely rid of some headaches. Especially with the winter coming up. Winter is coming. This is so relaxing. Whoever invented this is a pure genius. So you guys want to check them out before they sell out? Grab them now, guys, because I'm telling you, this is pretty amazing right now. Doesn't even hurt. Feels great. Okay, guys. Total darkness. Flip time. Alright. So you can hear it. That is gnarly. I don't understand. Phone call. Oh, maybe Bluetooth? You can check out my settings. Bluetooth. There's a thing down here called Bluetooth. I wonder if I press that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The volume's up here. There's something that's called Bluetooth. Oh, it is connected. Alright. So it's going to pop up Bluetooth right there. See at the top? Bluetooth. That's crazy. So when you're doing this, you could talk. Wow. This is definitely futuristic. So definitely, guys, check them out. This is a quality product. USB goes there to charge it. Let's see if what am I forgetting. This might be a little long video, but it is definitely worth it, guys. I feel a lot better right now. I'm more awake. Holy smokes. Charge, yep. Charge for 3 hours. So that ain't too bad. Before you go on your trip, charge it up. So vibration mode indicator is going to be right there. Music controls, like I told you guys, it's going to be the plus. Bluetooth, we already connected. That was easy. Air pressure mode, it's going to be this one. On, off, call answer. It's going to be also this one. Call answer indicator, we saw that right there. There's vibration, hot pack, air pressure, music, vibration, air pressure, music, hot pack, air pressure, music, hot pack, music. So you could choose your different cycles. So Bluetooth connect, we already connected. Music control. Press and hold this key for a long time to control the volume and the sound to be smaller. Alright. Please avoid eye massages after drinking alcohol. And that makes sense. Patients with deep stroke. Okay, well, that's okay. Here we go. But yeah, these are really comfortable, guys. This is the future of masks, like those sleep masks people used to buy, if they still do. But this tops them all off. This is simply amazing. You guys will not be disappointed. This futuristic device right here. 20th. There you go. All right, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.